Namaskar. Hello, it's Gloria here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by Favorite Collections Mangalore. Could not have completed 21 without you. Your patronage made all the difference. We thank you.
First, the news headlines from Mumbai. Kalakrit Mahotsav of Navgarh Manikpur Municipality concludes. News headlines from Mangalore. Kulshekar Church observes Frat Sahib's Day. St. Aloysius College students spread AIDS awareness through street plays. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Lona from Mega Konkani concert held at Dubai, a dance from Patrao night held at Kalangan, and a song from Konkani Sangeetotsav held in Bangalore.
Favorite Collections. One of the best shopping spot with largest collections of greeting cards of various occasions and your stationery needs. We also have wonderful gifts for your beloved ones. We have your favorite music cassettes, CDs, VCDs, DVDs, CD-RAM, only at your favorite collections. Visit us at Favorite Collections, Bendulwell, Mangalore.
News in detail. Residents of Navgarh Manikpur municipality limits in Mumbai had a great opportunity to exhibit their skill. Kalakrit Mahotsav, a sports and cultural festival held by Navgarh Manikpur municipality in which the localites participated with enthusiasm, concluded on Tuesday, December 11th. The closing ceremony of Kalakrit Mahotsav of Navgarh Manikpur municipality was held on Tuesday, December 11th. Hitendra Thakur, MLA Manikpur, was the chief guest. Police Superintendent Nawal Bajaj, film actor Sandeep Kulkarni and municipality chairman Shraddha Gaonkar were the guests. Prizes were distributed to the winners of various sports, games and cultural competitions. During the Mahotsav, sports events like athletics, bodybuilding, karate, taekwondo, table tennis, badminton, chess, carom, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball and throwball were held for different age groups. Holy Cross Church Caudle remembered its founder, Father Alexander Dubois, a French Friar who inspired several people to embrace Christianity owing to his personal charisma in and around the city on Tuesday, December 11th. Kulshekar Church observed Frat Sahib's Day on Tuesday, December 11th. The French missionary Father Alexander Dubois, prominently known as Frat Sahib, who was then the parish priest of Milagros Church, Mangalore, had laid the foundation stone for the Holy Cross Church Kulshekar on September 14, 1873. He called this place Caudle, which in French language means abode of heart. He died on December 11, 1877. Even today, after 130 years of his death, every year December 11th is observed as Frat Sahib's Day. Accordingly, on Tuesday, December 11th, the Holy Eucharistic Mass was offered at the church by Father Walter Mendonça, SVD, who originally hails from the Assumption Ward of Caudle Parish. Homily was delivered by Father Alex Noronha, Assistant Parish Priest of Cathedral Church, Rosario.
Taja kudi and raktan paschagatira Eucharistan godlo. Was the Eucharistic Jesu Amchamadi Yakwadel figures into Vestikar Zemono Frat Sebana Devtem Bandline and Yazi Fergus Kutam Vadlia and Jesu Christo Zo Eucharistan Jieta Amcha Fergus Kutmajan Kendra.
Eucharistic procession, adoration and solemn blessings were held later. A large number of parishioners, along with several priests and nuns from across the city, were present on the occasion. Speaking to TV Daiichi World, parish priest Father Lawrence de Souza said that Father Alexander Du Bois, a devout Catholic priest, had inspired several people to embrace Christianity owing to his personal charisma in and around the city.
He used to walk miles and miles to attend to the spiritual needs of the poor and the faithful, and to administer sacraments to them. He was a man of faith, a man of God, a man of courage, a man who was fully dedicated to the cause of the gospel. Thanks to him, today we have the gift of faith. And every year, on the 11th of December, hundreds and thousands of people flock to his grave. People of all faiths, Christians, non-Christians, Catholics, Hindus, Muslims, all come here all through the year, and especially on the 11th of December to visit this grave of the holy man, to feel inspired by his devotion. He was a man of people. What he did during his lifetime, he is doing even today, attracting hundreds of people and making them strong in their faith, in their spiritual disposition.
We have a story on the street plays taken out by St. Aloysius College students to spread AIDS awareness among the Mangaloreans. But after this short commercial break, so stay tuned to us.
Favorite collections. One of the best shopping spots with largest collections of greeting cards of various occasions and your stationery needs. We also have wonderful gifts for your beloved ones. We have your favorite music cassettes, CDs, VCDs, DVDs, CD-ROM, only at your favorite collections. Visit us at Favorite Collections, Bendilwell, Mangalore.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings. Jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagres Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. AIDS is spreading at an alarming speed, and AIDS can be prevented from spreading only by creating awareness, especially among the youth. BSW students of St. Aloysius College took the lead in making people aware of AIDS. They chose street plays to reach out to the people. That too, they presented street dramas on some of the busiest streets in Mangalore like Service Bus Stand. We have a report on this. On Tuesday, December 11th, the future social workers took the streets for a noble cause. Students who are pursuing their Bachelor of Social Work degree in St. Aloysius College held a street play on AIDS awareness at Mangalore Service Bus Stand in their quest to spread awareness on AIDS among the people.
ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕಣೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ತರ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ
It was an occasion to mark World AIDS Day, which was usually observed on December 1st of every year. The students have held similar shows across the city since Saturday, December 1st. Students left no stone unturned to explain the gathering how people get AIDS and the measures to prevent the disease.
ಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸುಖಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಗಾತಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿ.
ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಗಾತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಿ. ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಗದಿರಿ. ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಗದಿರಿ. ಒಪ್ಪವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರೆ ಉಳಿಯುವಿರಿ. ಒಪ್ಪವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರೆ ಉಳಿಯುವಿರಿ. ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸುಖದೇ ಬಾಳುವಿರಿ, ನೀವು ಸುಖದೇ ಬಾಳುವಿರಿ. ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸುಖದೇ ಬಾಳುವಿರಿ, ನೀವು ಸುಖದೇ ಬಾಳುವಿರಿ.
Now before we go on to our entertainment bash, we will take a break here. But after the break, we will bring to you lots of entertainment programs. So don't go away, I'll be right back.
Favorite collections. One of the best shopping spot with largest collections of greeting cards of various occasions and your stationery needs. We also have wonderful gifts for your beloved ones. We have your favorite music cassettes, CDs, VCDs, DVDs, CD-RAM, only at your favorite collections. Visit us at Favorite Collections, Bendulwell, Mangalore.
काळजाच्या या हालतारी मेटयला तुका मोगा
चिंता चिंतून लिखता
देखला एकले बाय सुबीत माडी खाय आजा पोरी दिसला
माणिक मोगाचे काणिक देवाचे म्हाकाच तू निर्मिल्ले तुझ्या आणि तुझ्या मध्ये कोण दुश्मन बाय सांग म्हाका एका स्मरण स्वप्नांनी तुका हांव देखतलो दायना ओ दायना
वर्सां जाली दोन मोग तुजो करून
चेडूं सोबायेचे ताचे दोळे ते माजराचे पयल्यास दिसतीन रे मोजे काळी
गोपान मोजा तू ये मातान मोजा तू ये वेंगे